Hello, wonderful students in the CRJ program. My name is Paul Fontaine, and some of you might know who I am. I really get a thrill out of seeing my former students participate so much on this awesome website. Mr. Roth had asked me to do a quick video in regards to probation and parole. And he specifically was looking for what kind of person can be successful as a probation officer. And my first response, I was a probation officer for over 25 years, so I have a little bit of experience working with clients within that realm in the criminal justice system. The first thing that comes to mind as far as what I look for when we were hiring probation officers was communication skills. Um, was the person, the applicant, able to communicate with us um, in a both formal and informal setting? Um, in probation, communication is essential, and that's both in oral and written forms, because you will be doing reports for the courts on your clients. Um, the first advice I could give the first piece of advice I'd give a student that was entering this occupation would be to listen. Listening is a skill. Your probation officer, your probationers, I should say, or your clients don't care about your personal story. They don't want to hear about your past. They're the ones who are before you and have gotten into some trouble, and they really don't want to hear your own personal stories. They want for you to listen and prepare them for success when they leave probation. Um, Another question that Mr. Roth wanted me to address is um, what to expect, or what are some of the challenges in probation. The unexpected, that's the biggest. You never know when you walk in your office what transpired that night, and it literally is 24 hours, 7 days a week, because you're dealing with people and human behavior, and that's why it's essential that you do really do well in your criminology courses, and also, well, in all your criminal justice courses, because you apply it to this occupation daily. So I guess that if I'm looking for personality, I would want somebody that would be very detail oriented, somebody that listened really well, and that would be also including in the courts what the judge says, what the prosecutor says, what your supervisor says. An understanding of the law in your state is also really important. A lot of this you can get from training as far as statutes and the law. However, those tangible skills that you bring would be, again, listening and um, making sure that you create plans that are successful for your clients. You're dealing with human beings, so you're dealing with a lot of emotion. In juvenile probation, you're dealing with family members, usually troubled parents. They have their own problems, which sometimes affects the child's behavior. So anyway, this was a very quick, short video as far as what kind of personality and what kind of characteristics we look for when hiring probation officers. And again, I want to make sure that you understand that listening is a skill, and not interrupting them, but listening and finding a clear path for them transitioning out of probation back into the community. So I hope this was beneficial, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. For my former students, I'm so proud of you for participating in this website. It shows that you're very motivated, which is outstanding. I know you were motivated as students. Um, keep that motivation going and continue to participate on this website. Um, Everybody take care, and I will talk to you again. Take care.